Hello everyone. How was the day today? Until now, for almost now what a month of my recording of my journal, I started off with manual trading and then I realized that I could get into algo trading. So then I started reading about it and started making an algo and successfully made it. And for the past 15 days or so, I've been doing algo trading only. Now, after 15 days of this trading, I realized that yes, my mindset has improved a lot. I have become a little bit more patient and much more disciplined. However, I see that my algo is still not able to get me profit. On a paper trade, on a back test, algo gives you very good profit. But if you actually trade, then you realize that, oh my god, there are a lot of slippages, and we would have considered the best case scenario, or even if we consider the normal case scenario in case of a back test, and when you actually trade, then it becomes the worst case scenario on practically all the times. So then I realized that then I ran this weekend, last 2 days. Prior to that, we had 3 days holiday. So then I started running my algo on the worst case scenario. And yesterday, put it on worst case scenario, and then realized that yeah, this is not working. No doubt the algo is not working. People are so many people are selling algo courses or their online trading courses and so on. That is because actually it is not working. And I realized that that intraday trading will not work simply because you do not have enough time and the volatility is such that your intraday, how much can you expect, how much returns can you expect, and how much uh, uh, profit stop loss also will you keep. You both of them will have to be very small numbers. The stop loss is also going to be less and profit is also going to be less. However, what happens is that you don't get either of them, or in worst case, you usually end up taking a stop loss. So the losses are more than your profits. So because of all this, I think I will have to stop my intraday trading. I will have to focus, as I think I told you yesterday also, that now I think I will have to focus and try to figure out what can I do in case of a swing trading. If maybe following on a hourly chart or a daily chart, I will have to figure out which one works better. I'll go on that and see backtest with the worst case scenario and see if anything works. Then maybe I will try to do that, try to implement that algo. But meanwhile, I think I will take few more days to just go through this, and meanwhile, I will try to do some manual transactions. Like I was looking at my stock, the indexing for the day, and I could see that it was all moving in a very narrow range, and I thought it might fall down here. It even came down the lowest point, you see, 1390. And then again, suddenly, as it was Bank Nifty expiry, they lifted up all the banking stocks in the last hours. Yet, 3 o'clock, look at the rally it started, right until the top. So, when with such a volatility, it becomes very difficult. See, had you taken a short position, you barely would have got 0.5%, and over here it takes up another 1% or 1.5. So, with such a volatility, how is it going to, you know, how are you going to trade and make any money? So today I stayed out. I also tried to whole day. I just kept on looking at my bank Nifty charts. So this is the Nifty chart, and I was looking at the call and put. I was looking at whether if there is any reversal, but the whole day there wasn't any reversal. Any ATM call also would have just lost money, and since it was falling in the morning, I thought maybe let me look at the OTM ports. It rose a little bit, but then as expected, it lost all the money. Only an ITM or ATM put did good, would give you good opportunity to make money and get out. But otherwise, yeah, and Bank Nifty did, it is pretty much a directional index that right from morning. In fact, right from yesterday, it kept on going down, 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 and did not have much of movement. Just the last hour or so, that was anyway expected. You cannot uh, expect that they will market will allow you to make money. If you are going to stay here until last moment, you are going to be screwed by them. So Bank Nifty as such is pretty good direction, gives a directional moment. So just waited whole day and tried to see how it goes. So once I get a eye or hang of it, then maybe I can look into any options. But on my stock, nothing doing. But then I could find something on this Sun Pharma, and I could see that it was trying to go up, and then luckily at the last moment I took it and got some good one. But I'm still holding it. Let's see on this as a swing trade. Let's see how what happens, how it goes. Otherwise, I investment is still very much in a banking sector, is still very much in a range bound thing. So don't know. Let's say which way it will go up. Will it cross 1430 or will it go below 1380 or so? In few days we'll come to know. Let's say, does it go above this or does it go below this? If it goes below this, then maybe we can expect somewhere around here 1340, or if it goes up, then first one should be this 1430, second would be somewhere if it comes down 1480 or so, or the other one would be 1527, and if it goes higher then it's a new bullet. So let's see how it turns out tomorrow. I'll try to follow up for more, observe more for a few days for a swing trade, and then make some algo and try to see how it goes. Until then, chalo, tomorrow is another expiry. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. See you then. Happy trading. Bye.